Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture, HTML5 series, we learned about video tag. In video tag, we made a simple web page of video where user can play the video on a web page. It's a simple web page like YouTube, right? I hope you understand it very well and you learn a lot from that video. Today we will learn today we will today we will learn about audio tag. If you want to create a simple web page of audio MP3 website, it's very helpful for you. Let's get started now. So for this, I will open my editor. I will make new file. I will set the title of a web page, audio tag, right? I will save the file. I will start the audio tag and end it. It have the opening and closing tag, right? In audio tag, there's one more tag of source tag. So a tag within a tag, right? I will type the source tag. It have only the opening tag, right? In source, there's an attribute of src means source and type audio slash mp3, right? I will save the file. I already download a audio file in the audios folder. Its name is this one, and if we want to see the extension of the file, right click on the video, go to properties. Here it shows .mp3, right? So our file is located in audio dash tag in the HTML5 folder, and our mp3 file is in HTML5 folder, then audios, then mp3 file. So we will give the path audio slash dot mp3, right? I will save it. I will open a file. It's not visible here, so for this I will type the control. Not control are visible, right? If I will play,
अगर कोई अपना
if I want when our web page open, audio should run automatically. Then there is one more attribute is autoplay, right? If some browser are not allowed autoplay, then there's a notification appeared on this location of browser or on any other location of a browser. We should allow to play audio so that it will run automatically when the web page is open, right? I will save the file. I will reload the web page. You can see
अगर कोई अपना भला
you
चाहता
can see the file is run automatically when our web page is reload. You can show multiple file. You can show multiple audio files on a web page. I will remove the autoplay so that it will not autoplay when multiple files are on a web page, right? 2 3 4. I will reload the page. Now it shows 4 files on on a web page. I will play the audio file.
अगर कोई अपना भला चाहता है अगर
to the seat and run the audio file. I will upload the file on the internet. You can download the file by using the link in the description of the file. I hope you learn a lot. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.